Tip Tut.
The BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp is designed to bring light to limited workspaces without the desk space for a standing lamp. However, with a little creative thought, the use cases for this lamp can increase dramatically. By using a counterweight with an adjustable angle and clip, the ScreenBar can be attached to any monitor with a thickness from 0.4 to 1.2 inches, about 1 to 3 centimeters, and has 2 adjustment points to hit that perfect angle. Furthermore, it's powered by a single USB, which makes monitors with USB ports the perfect power solution, as the lamp then powers down when your PC does. Another benefit of the ScreenBar is the quote-unquote asymmetrical optical design, which in plain English means a barrier against light leaking onto your screen. They claim this means absolutely no screen glare, and for once I can say this is a product that actually lives up to its claims. The ScreenBar has ambient light sensing and uses this to calculate the adjustable temperature and brightness of the bulbs to best suit the ambient light of your environment in order to get the perfect blend of light and comfort. This helps reduce eye strain and combats blue light from the monitor. There are theories that also suggest cool light boosts efficiency, whereas warmer light encourages relaxation. Of course, the temperature and brightness can be controlled manually too, from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin and various levels of brightness, with the ambient light option calculating for 500 lux. So you can adjust the temperature and brightness of the ScreenBar to meet the needs of the task at hand. And of course, the ScreenBar is 100% flicker-free. Honestly, it's hard to find fault with the ScreenBar. Personally, I've used it for its intended use as a desk lamp, as well as lighting desktop videos, and as a light for green screen use. This required clipping the light at an unintended angle, but it worked better than expected. All in all, the ScreenBar has managed to gracefully handle everything that I've thrown at it and has exceeded all of my expectations. The only drawback you may find is the price. At $89.99, it's a little steep for what is essentially a glorified lamp, but there's a surprising amount of technology and engineering that's been packed into this little LED solution. In my opinion, it's already paid for itself in the few weeks that I've been using it. Thanks very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you all next time.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.